light out there? Good morning, everyone. And we have sunshine. It's cold, but there's sunshine. Hi, buddy. Go back up. Go back up. Come on. If you want your food, it's up here. Come on. Come on, bud. Come on, Tux. Come on, buddy. Morris, good morning. Come on, Morris. Come on. Good boy. I actually hadn't seen him yet and was a little worried. But here he is. Tux was inside last night. At midnight, I came and pulled him out of the cat hotel cubby and put him in his crate in the bathroom. He walks right into the crate. I don't have to shove him in there. We hear him cry a little bit, but it's not the I'm dying cry. It's the, hey, have you forgot about me back here cry. But he must have wanted to come in. I see my snowmen are still up. And the eyes and other things haven't fallen or gone away, so that's cool. Yeah. We're going to get up into the 40s today. There will be some melting, and then there will be another refreeze. Our schools are still closed with the black ice warning overnight because we were down to 20. There was no way they were going to have school today. By Monday, it should be all melted and dried and in the 50s and not below freezing overnight. So Don and I are going to go walk sometime after 12. He's on the conference call right now. We should have no problem. The driveway's clear and it even looks dry. And with the sun warming, we'll have no problem safely getting out without any extra effort. All right, there's fresh water for everybody. A little on the warm side, so hopefully it won't refreeze immediately. Here, pretty blue sky. I figured I should take a walk around because, you know, it'll be gone soon. Somebody's walked over here. I'm just walking the known path where I know it's safe to walk. Safe-ish. You gonna come with me, buddy? Johnny wanted to know where the pictures of the cats in the snow were. Oh, that's Morris coming. He doesn't normally come for our walks, but I'll take it. Hey, buddy. Hi. Alrighty. Most of the dry chow was gone out here. Not empty like normal, but gone. So I am refilling it and then replacing the water with water that's not frozen. Hi. There you go. Hi, Missy. How are you? Hi. Aw. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. My first of the day print is done. Well, didn't he turn out cool? That is a 5-color print. You can tell from the, what do they call that? The white brick, the prime tower. They call it the prime tower. Don and I are gonna go for our walk in about a half an hour, while the sun is out and pretty in the warmest part of the day. I don't think we'll have any problem getting anywhere. I do not have enough of these aqua tiles to do the floor the way it needs me to, but there's plenty of other stuff I can do, so I'm going to start working on that. Sweet girl. Hi. Hi. I was looking at what this particular designer did to the backside, and I hate it. I hate this stuff here. They just did horrible. So essentially, I'm going to end up redoing whatever's on the backside of the house, and I'm not going to add any more on there because it just looks horrible. Not good. What are you trying to do nighttime? Huh? What you trying to do? Good girl. I went in the attic and found a few of the light aqua tiles, but still not enough. And, you know, I just been sticking stuff on and going. I pulled some of the back stuff off. I'll probably pull more off. This, like I said, this whole area I'm going to have to design myself, and that's not the most important thing right now. And we're going to go walk, so when I come back and cook the steaks, I will, you know, afterward, I'll work on it a bit more. We're starting our walk. It's 2:30. Where there's shade, there's snow. And where there's sun, it's all melted already. At our house, it still looks like it snowed pretty good.
Burr, that wind is blowing across the snow and it's cold. Picking up.
We were plenty warm on the whole trail until right here. Matter of fact, there was no snow on the whole trail until right here. And I'm having to be pretty careful here. Yep. My foot's hit some black ice a few times, even though I'm walking in that tread area there. I guess somebody come down it on some vehicle. Looks like it to me. Sometimes the town goes down and cleans out the trash, although I don't know. I'm not thinking today they were too worried about trash, but never can tell. Maybe it's kids on the ATVs. I've seen them up in the park. Hey, somebody built them a snowman over here at the environmental park. Looking good, looking good.
Yeah, I like the natural branches technique.
You can keep your opinions to yourself.
I am not, you know, something I've never done is build a snowman by myself. I've never done it.
Right, you've helped me lift the snowball on top, a huge, ginormous, like, God kitten, are you trying to kill me, snowball?
Yes, absolutely.
I noticed you didn't come out to help me lift those buckets.
Not.
You didn't volunteer yourself, I noticed.
Well, you were getting all your exercise.
Right. Don and I had a nice meal. We just had some chuck eye steak and eggs, and I gave Don a couple slices of bacon. It's going on 6. Yeah, it's 5:45. I'm going to work for, I don't know, 90 minutes-ish. About 90 minutes, and just see what else I can do. Don's watching some YouTubes and probably looking at his eyelids for a few minutes. And my boys are probably going to give me a hard time. Now that I'm doing things that require more space, I'm in a little more trouble with my boys. I try to carry the boxes over to the, I'll go put them on the oven and the counter and get them off of their spot. I made good progress. These little garbage cans back here took forever, but I'm making good progress. I'm trying to decide. The plans have all the walls on the first floor is white, and I don't like how it contrasts with the windows in the front, so I could make it tan like the rest of the building, or sand green, which you see there's at least a ring of it, or I could do the front different and then keep the white on the back. I'm trying to decide how I'm going to handle it. I'm going to study the plans a little bit after I lie down. Thank you. Thanks for the help.